Okay, welcome back, Lam. Now let us continue. Okay, so this will be the last item, Lam, so we can still have time for your book. Okay, I want you to answer it alone. The girls likes to play in the garden with our dog. The incorrect word here, Lam, is likes. What should we use instead of likes? What should we write instead of likes? Can you tell
Instead
me?
of like.
Hmm? Our subject is the girls. When we say the girls, Lam, is it singular or plural? The girls. Singular or plural? Yes or no?
Plural.
Yes, it is plural. So, since it's plural, what should we use instead of likes? Likes is incorrect. We should use what? What should we use? Can you tell me? We should use.
We should use
Can you tell me? We should use what? What is it, ma'am? Because when we say likes, it's for singular subjects, right? It's for singular subjects. Now, what about like? What about like?
like.
Yes.
About like. Do they sweet he sheep?
Okay, when we say like, lam, it is for plural. Okay, plural subjects. Because I've said that when we have plural subject, we will use the base form. So it should be, what is our answer here? The girls.
The girls.
What? Okay, wait. I'll give you options again. Lam. Okay, what is the answer? The girls likes, the girls like, the girls are liking.
What girl are liking?
No, Lam. Why is it liking, Lam? This is not a present continuous tense. This should be like present simple tense, Lam. The girls like. Lam and Mia like to play in the garden with our dog. It should be like that, not our liking, not likes. Okay, because our subject is plural. Our subject is plural. Please remember that, Lam, and if you have time after this class, please take your time to review the lesson. Okay, now we'll have this one. Okay, wait. Okay, let us have this one. We have here the options, Lam. Okay, the word bank, and all you have to do is to complete the email message with the verbs in the box in the correct present continuous form. Present continuous form, Lam. Like, hi, here are some pictures from our trip to London. I hope you like them. In this picture, Jack and Roby are sitting on a London bus. They, they, they what?
They
They, what do you think? They, look at the picture here, Lam. Okay, let me zoom it in for you. Okay, here is the picture, and here is the word bank. Like, for example, sit. Okay, sit. Since we're making present continuous form, are sitting. Okay, they are sitting, right, on a London bus. They,
okay, teacher. Uh,
they,
in this they are at the can place
hmm? But
Jack.
they are at, Lam. They are. You have to choose one word here to make it present
They
continuous.
are
They are.
waving,
Is it they are waving? Not they are waving. It's only him who is
wave,
waving,
wave.
not him. We can say they are waving because just one person is waving. The other boy is not
They
waving.
are look looking
Okay,
at
they
the
are
broken plate.
looking. Yes, continue lang. Jack,
Jack
Jack.
have oh no, Jack not where no. This is hard to teach.
Okay, so
Let
I
me
will
try.
give this one as your homework. Okay, Lam.
Example two.
That is the example, Lam. Now, I will give this one as your homework so you'll have ample of time to think. Okay? So that would be all it, and I will see you again on Wednesday, Lam. Thank you so much, Lam. Goodbye, Lam.